with the pop sound or not? This gas is very pungent smell.
Yes, sir.
This. Now we will see the reaction of aluminium with hydrochloric acid. That means metal with an acid. So when metal reacts with acid, it forms metallic chloride with the formation of hydrogen gas. So let's see what will happen. So first of all, I am taking some amount of hydrochloric acid with the help of a dropper in this test tube. This is our hydrochloric acid. And now we will take some amount of aluminum foil. So this is our aluminum foil. So now I am going to dip the aluminum foil into this test tube. So let's see what will happen. As you can see, it starts to react, and the gas which is produced is hydrogen gas. And now we were capturing the hydrogen gas into another test tube, and let's see whether it will burn with the pop sound or not. This pop sound indicates that it contains hydrogen gas. So this reaction is what, this is a salt, that is aluminum chloride, and the gas is hydrogen gas, and as you see, this gas is very pungent smell.
Yes, sir.
This gas has a very pungent smell, and when we take this test tube which contains hydrogen gas near to the candle, it burns with a pop sound. This indicates that this gas is what? This gas is hydrogen gas. This is aluminum chloride.
Yes.